In this video, I will show you how you can restart and power off your Samsung tablet. Now there are two methods to do that. For the first method, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center. And in the control center, you will find this power icon at the top of the screen. Now just tap on the power icon. And as you do that, you will open the power menu. And from here, if you want to power off your tablet, you can select power off, or you can select restart and you will be able to restart your tablet. Now this was the first method. Now for the second method, just press and hold the power button on your tablet to open the power menu. But if you have a newer Samsung tablet, instead of the power menu, you will open Google Gemini or the Google Assistant. Now to set the power button to launch the power menu instead of the Google Assistant, just go to settings. Then in the search bar, just search this. From here, just tap on side button. Then tap on long press. And instead of digital assistant, just select power off menu. And after you select power off menu, now if you press and hold the power button on your tablet, you will open the power menu instead of Google Gemini or the Google Assistant. And from here, you will be able to power off or you can restart your tablet. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.